Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our podcast. I am your host Ashar Imtiaz.
And I'm your second host, Insha. Today we are diving into a topic every Pakistani has deal with, that is, can modern engineering solve load shedding problems?
Faisal, let's start with you. Why are we still facing these issues every single year?
Sure, because it's a mix of massive summer demand overwhelming the grid and outdated transmission lines. We lose so much electricity because of our old infrastructure.
So Fatma, how does can modern engineering solve those infrastructure leaks?
By upgrading the high voltage transmission system and smart monitoring, it stop the grid from bleeding system. We are already seeing places like Islamabad that catch the breakdown much faster than old setup.
So, Asharib, what about average citizen? Does turning off a light bulb really matters?
It does. When millions of people do it, shifting to LED bulbs by using inverter ACs, and just being mindful during peak hours, and take massive pressure off our grid.
Alright, where do renewables fit into all of this?
So they are total game changers with the Qaid-e-Azam Solar Park and the wind farms in Jaimpur. We are actively producing clean energy right now and reducing expensive imported fuels.
So Sharib, what's the next big step for consumer who want to help?
So, rooftop solar, without a doubt, it's becoming totally mainstream in cities like Karachi and Lahore. It's because it directly slashes your electricity bill while helping the grid.
Faisal, let's be real. Can Newtek alone fix this?
Inchra, honestly, no. If we don't tackle with electricity theft, poor management, and delayed repairs, even the best technology will fail. The best technology always need a better governance.
Speaking of tech, Fatma, we hear the term smart grid. What does that actually mean?
It is basically an intelligent network. It uses sensors to detect and isolate fault instantly. In Japan, they use them. To prevent long blackouts during earthquake. We are still developing, but still, it's our ultimate goal.
Arkam, wrap this up for us. Why does the Pakistan energy future look actually like?
Ashar, I think the future is promising. If Pakistan continues investment solar and wind energy and improves its power system, load shedding can be reduced in the coming years.
So the main message is simple. Ending load shedding is not just a government job. It's a little responsibility from all of us, and we can build a brighter future for Pakistan.
Exactly, it's going to take all of us doing our part. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.